Pour an egg into petroleum jelly. The results will truly surprise you. Start with a small bowl and crack an egg into it. Use a regular plastic bottle to separate the yolk from the egg white. You mainly need the yolk for this recipe, but don't throw away the egg white. Just add 1 tablespoon of it to the bowl with the yolk. Now, prepare the petroleum jelly and add a small spoonful to the bowl. Mix everything thoroughly. Next, take a lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 directly into the bowl and stir well. Apply the mixture to your hands and gently massage it into the skin, focusing on particularly dry areas. Cover your hands with plastic wrap and leave it on for 20 minutes. After this time, your skin will be perfectly moisturized. You can also use this treatment on your feet to soften and hydrate rough skin. After application, the skin becomes smooth, soft, and deeply nourished. Here's how to restore dry and cracked feet. Using plastic wrap. After washing your feet in warm water, apply a generous layer of cosmetic petroleum jelly. Cosmetic petroleum jelly is an effective moisturizer that acts as a protective barrier for the skin. It forms a layer on the surface that locks in moisture and speeds up the healing process. Spread it over the entire foot, focusing especially on the heels. It's perfect for treating dry, cracked heels because it helps soften and smooth the skin. After applying the petroleum jelly, wrap your feet in plastic wrap. Wrapping helps trap moisture and allows the petroleum jelly to penetrate deeper into the skin. Leave your feet wrapped for a few hours, ideally overnight. In the morning, remove the plastic wrap and enjoy soft, hydrated skin. Regular use of petroleum jelly on your feet prevents further dryness and peeling of the skin. Additionally, thanks to its properties, petroleum jelly soothes any irritation on the skin of your feet. Pour oil into petroleum jelly. This trick was recommended to me by a cosmetologist. A simple recipe with amazing results. Add 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly to a small bowl. It locks in moisture and protects the skin from drying out. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to gently exfoliate and smooth the skin. Then add a tablespoon of oil to deeply nourish and soften. Grab a large orange, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice straight into the bowl. Orange is rich in vitamin C. It brightens, refreshes, and helps with skin regeneration. Plus, it gives a naturally pleasant scent. Now place the bowl in a pan filled with water to create a water bath. Heat on low, stirring constantly until everything blends into a smooth mixture. Remove from heat and let it cool. That's it. A natural homemade cream perfect for hands, heels, and dry patches. The petroleum jelly locks in moisture, vinegar smooths, oil nourishes, and orange refreshes. You won't believe how good your skin can look after using it. Crack an egg into Vaseline. This unusual mix has an incredibly powerful effect and can save you a lot of money. Start with a small bowl and crack in a fresh egg. In this trick, the yolk is the key. It's full of vitamins and fats that nourish and repair. Add a little bit of the egg white too, as it has a light tightening and cleansing effect, making the mixture more effective. Next comes Vaseline. It deeply softens and locks in moisture. Add 1 spoonful to the egg, then take a lime, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice from 1/2. Lime is rich in vitamin C and natural fruit acids, gently brightening dark spots and evening out skin tone. Mix everything well until smooth. Apply the mask to your hands, face, or neckline, focusing on dry areas, and massage gently into the skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After rinsing, your skin will feel incredibly soft, deeply hydrated, and glowing. This simple home remedy can give you better results than many expensive creams from the store. Pour turmeric into Vaseline. This simple combination will give you a feeling of lightness in no time. The exact proportions are important, so pay close attention. Prepare a tall glass container and add 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric. Its natural properties help soften the skin and support its regeneration after a long day, while also providing a soothing effect. Then add just under 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, which gives the mixture a smooth texture, softens the skin, and helps keep it in good condition. Now it's time for the oil. but not just any oil. It must be coconut oil so the mixture becomes silky and easy to spread. Coconut oil also deeply moisturizes, nourishes, has antibacterial properties, and leaves the skin smooth and supple. Mix everything well until you get a uniform paste. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which acts as a gentle exfoliant and cleanser for the skin, with mild antibacterial and antifungal effects. Mix again until all ingredients are perfectly combined. Apply the prepared paste to your knee, spreading it evenly. Then wrap it with plastic wrap to keep the area warm and boost the effectiveness of the ingredients. Go to sleep, and in the morning you'll feel pleasant relief and lightness in that part of your body. You'll see that just one night is enough for your knees to feel true comfort. Add some petroleum jelly and apply it to your lips. It's the best homemade cosmetic for them. Thanks to it, your lips will never be dry or chapped again. You only need a few ingredients that will transform the skin on your lips. Prepare a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of cosmetic petroleum jelly to it. Petroleum jelly is intended to moisturize the skin of your lips. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Sugar primarily has exfoliating properties. Then, add a teaspoon of almond oil. Natural almond oil is suitable for consumption and can be used in homemade cosmetics. It regenerates and cleanses the skin. Add some natural aloe vera gel to the mixture. Aloe vera has soothing and moisturizing properties. It can be helpful in caring for dry and chapped lip skin. Petroleum jelly combined with aloe and almond oil protects the lips, especially from harmful weather conditions such as wind, frost, or sun. Mix everything thoroughly. The ingredients must be well combined. Apply this scrub to your entire lips. Rub it in thoroughly. Immediately after application, you will feel super moisturized. Leave it on for 10 minutes. After this time, rinse it off with warm water. I guarantee that your lips have never been so pleasant and well moisturized before. I mix petroleum jelly with lemon. This saves me a ton of money. I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. This solution is much cheaper, simpler, and better. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly that many people use. But not everyone knows its wide range of applications. If you combine it with lemon, you'll get a super cheap cosmetic product. Transfer 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly to a small, clean bowl. Take 1 lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2. If any seeds get into the juice, strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Prepare a steam bath. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice over a pot of hot water. Heat until the ingredients are dissolved. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Mix everything thoroughly. Lemons improve the skin's texture. They brighten the complexion and remove blemishes. They reduce the number of blackheads. Once the mixture has cooled down, you can apply it to your face, neck, and decolate. If you have makeup on, remove it first. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow the skin to absorb it well. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be properly moisturized and nourished. With daily care, you'll see results in just a few days.